Here are 5 awesome new updates you need to know from Supademo shipped in December 2025. These include zoom and pan functionality on HTML demos, a brand new video recording experience, a redesigned HTML editing toolbar, required input rules, and our new typewriter effect. So let's get started. First up, this is one many of you have been asking for, zoom and pan on HTML demos. Yes, we know you've wanted this. If your product has dense dashboards, tables, or a complex UI, you can now focus and narrow the viewer's attention exactly where it matters, without awkward workarounds. Just open an HTML demo, click Add Zoom, and select the area you'd like to apply a clean, elegant zoom effect to for better understanding and viewer engagement. Next, this one saves you real money. You can now record your screen and webcam directly within the Supademo Chrome extension. This means Supademo isn't just for interactive product demos anymore. It can replace your screen recorder too. One tool, one workflow, all of your interactive demos and video content in one place. This new screen recording experience makes demos more personal, especially for onboarding, sales follow-ups, or quick walkthroughs where you don't want to book a meeting. To use it, open the extension, choose your recording method, hit record, talk like a human, and you're done. You can share it as a standalone video, turn it into an interactive demo, or even add it as an intro slide within any existing Supademo. Now, let's talk about the new HTML editing toolbar. We've simplified the design so that things you use all of the time are right there, and the stuff you occasionally use aren't yelling at you anymore. The result, less time clicking around and a much shorter learning curve for everyone editing from your team. Just click into any HTML element and start editing like normal, except now it feels calmer, cleaner, and faster than ever before. Next up, required input rules. This is perfect for onboarding, for quizzes, or qualification flows. If you want someone to type specific text before moving on to the next step, or you want to recreate the feeling of entering a real prompt into a text box, now you can. Input rules let you set text validation so viewers can't just click next, next, next without actually engaging. Just click any text input within the HTML editor and toggle on input rules, where you can define character matching as well as validation logic. And finally, our last feature, the typewriter effect. This lets you animate text so it appears as if it's being typed in real time within your HTML product demo. It's especially great for chatbots, AI assistants, and prompt-based workflows. The result feels more realistic, easier to follow, and honestly, just nicer to watch. Enable the typewriter effect by clicking any text input within the HTML editor, and then adjust the typing speed to match the experience that you want to create. So that's December. Cleaner editing, more realistic interaction, less skipping, and more value from a single tool. If you're already using Supademo, try these features in your next demo. Otherwise, if you're not, this is a great time to start. Hope you all have a happy new year and see you in the next one.